Namaste, I'm Archana. Thank you for joining me for Make Yoga a Daily Habit. So we'll begin today's practice by coming to sit in a comfortable seated position. As you breathe in, just notice the room that you're in. And as you breathe out, now close your eyes. Keep your back straight, sit tall. Palms come to rest on your thighs or knees. Shoulders squared, chin parallel to the earth, the crown of the head in the direction of the ceiling. Now as you breathe out, notice the air leaving your nostrils. Now bring your right hand to your belly, left hand onto your chest. As you breathe in, notice the movements happening beneath your palm. Again, as you breathe in, push your belly into your palm, and as you breathe out, pull your navel back towards your spine. One more deep breath in and exhale. Now bring both your hands behind your back. With your left, hold your right wrist. Lean forward, bringing your forehead onto the mat or floor in front of you. You're offering salutations to Mother Earth. Inhale, slowly come back up. Hands come in front of our eyes, and now gently open your palms and open your eyes with a few blinks. We'll start with some warm-ups for our neck. With the tip of your nose, draw small circles in the air. Going clockwise. 3, 2, and 1. Your choice, you can keep your eyes open or closed. Let's go anti-clockwise. Again, small circles with the tip of your nose. And 3. And as you breathe in, bring your hands all the way up towards the ceiling. Look at your fingertips. And as you breathe out, bring your right hand onto the floor and stretch your left towards the right side of the room. Stay here. You can walk your fingers as far away as you can. Just see that you don't lift your left hip off the mat. Your sit bones are like pressing into the mat. Stay here. Breathe in and breathe out. Now we're going to draw big circles in the air. We're going clockwise for 3. 1. Just keep breathing in and out. 2. And 3. Now go anti-clockwise. 3. Just moving all the way as big as you can. 2. I'm not dropping my ear to my shoulder here. My gaze is forward. 3. Now slowly come up, drop your hands down. Straighten your spine. Your head comes to center in the end. Now again, breathe in, reach your arms up towards the ceiling, stretch your fingertips, and now as you breathe out, bend to the left side. So you're going to walk your hands as far as you can. Sukhasana. Notice a nice stretch all along your waist, your rib cage. Take a deep breath in. Notice the sides of your body expand, and as you breathe out, collapse. One more breath in here and out. Now slowly, circles again clockwise. You can keep your eyes closed. 2 and 3. Just keep breathing in and out normally. Don't hold your breath anytime during the practice. 2 and 3. Bring your right hand down and slowly Bring your left hand close to your body, straighten your back. Lastly, you straighten your head. You're going to swing our legs to one side. Come back here. Wrist below your shoulders, knees below your hip, toes behind your knees. If you are not very comfortable resting on the mat, you can always place a thick towel and rest your knees. Or a sheet there, a thick sheet, a folded sheet, and rest your knees here. Again, pull your navel in, breathe in, seat up towards the ceiling, drop your back, chest, chin, and gaze is forward. And here, if you're not comfortable in your back, I know there should be no pain, okay, no sharp shooting pain anytime during the practice. I just want you to come to a point where you feel slight discomfort, and then as you breathe out, pull your navel in, drop your chin to chest, gaze either at your knees or your navel. Again, breathe in, and breathe out. For this last one, we're going to be breathing in, arching our back, gaze up. Now engage your toes, and as you breathe out, round. Bring your toes to touch. Rest your hip on your heels, stretch. Walk your hands away from you, trying to push your seat towards your heel. Just come to a point wherever this can, for some of us, can be here, and that's okay. Drop your forehead onto the mat if you can. If not, like we did yesterday, bring your forearms, interlace your fingers, and rest. As we breathe in, just notice the area, especially your lower back if you're feeling a stretch there. As you breathe out, relax completely. Your knees are nice and wide here. Your belly is resting in the space between your thighs. Drop your palms down. Engage your toes. Here, lift and come all the way up to your mountain pose. Now we're just going to pedal here. Bend the right knee, straighten the left. Bend the left knee, straighten the right. Let's go again. And last one. Now slowly press your feet, your toes into the mat. Raise your heel up, arms in line with your ears, and now slowly drop it down. We're going to do 3 of this. And 1. Now from here, you can directly come to your plank pose, Chaturanga. You may have to adjust so that your wrist is below your shoulder. Come here, pull your navel in. We're just going to stay here for 2 breaths. Breathe in, navel in, 2, and 1. If this is hard, like I gave you an option here, come onto your knees, walk your palms away, and hold this position. Anything works. Whatever you are comfortable doing. Come here, 2, and 1. Drop your knees. Sit back once again. Stretch in Shashankasana. Come all the way back to your tabletop position. Now if you can here, bring your feet together, elbows close to your body, and slowly lower your chest onto the mat. This is one way of doing it. Ashtanga, you're going to come down here. If not, come to rest completely on your belly. Your palms are just beneath your chest. Engage your toes, engage your knees. Drop your forehead onto the mat. Chest is pressing against the mat. Lift your hip up. Ashtanga, so 8 points. Your toes, knees, chest, and palms. Chin or forehead. Drop back. Bring your palms beneath your shoulders. From here, we're going to breathe in, slowly come up to Bhujangasana. See where you're comfortable. Breathe out. Try to keep your legs close to your body. Keep your feet close to each other. You're keeping your elbows close to your body. Breathe in. Again, come up. Only to a point of discomfort. And down. Again, breath in. Come up. Notice the compression in your lower back. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, relax. Gauge your toes. Come back to your tabletop. You're going to be using a lot of tabletop transition. Lift your knees up, arms in line with your ear. Stay here in your Parvatasana. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Step your right leg and your left between your palms. Padahastasana. Inhale. Slowly come all the way up to standing. Let's come up. Breathe out. Drop your hands down. This time we're going to breathe in again. Breathe in. Raise our heels up. Fingers towards the ceiling. Keep your gaze at a point on the wall in front of you. Anything that's steady. Or on a point on the floor. Breathe out. Hands come down. One last time. Breathe in. Reach up. And breathe out. You're going to fold forward. Come back to sitting on your hips. Knees are bent. Place your right palm and your left palm on your knees. We're going to go to just a modified version of the Naukasana. Here, slowly straighten. Stay here. If you keep your knees closer, it just gets harder. So stay and keep your feet wherever it's comfortable for you. Stay and notice if you touch your belly, it's already tight. I'm just straightening my elbows. My gaze is forward. Breathe. If you want to experiment with just release one hand and then the other. Notice how you feel. You can always go back. You're not pulling onto our knees, so just resting here. 2 and 1. Slowly come up. Move your hips towards your heel. Come down to lying. Hug your knees towards your chest. Rock side to side. Closing your eyes. Massaging your lower back. Straighten both your legs in front of you. Interlace your fingers and stretch it all the way behind you. Point your toes away from you. Stretch and hold. Pull. Take a deep breath in. Stretch. Stretch further. And as you breathe out through your mouth with one big sigh, let go. Release your hand. Let your legs flop to the side. Breathe in. And breathe out. Just taking this moment to pause. Now slowly widen your legs to the corners of your mat. Hands come to rest next to your body. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Just noticing the sensations all through your body. Taking this moment to notice the thoughts that are coming to your mind. Once you feel your breath is back to a comfortable rhythm, bring both your feet together, arms come to rest next to you. Close your eyes. We'll end today's session by chanting one round of Om, and I want you to notice the vibrations of Om wash all through your body. So breathe in, belly up towards the ceiling, and as you breathe out, Om. You can stay here as long as you want to. Thank you so much for doing this practice with me. I hope it was helpful. In case you have any questions regards to this practice or anything related to yoga, please write to me in the comments below. Namaste.